Kristen Boyd, double D windstorm, DLD, May of 24, in hand dressage, 2019 6 foot on the ground foundation, test level 1. Test 1 level 1. Back your horse 5 to 8 steps and halt. Perform 360-degree turn on forehand, moving haunches away from handler and halt. Keep going. Keep going. Switch to right side of horse. Leading from right side, walk forward 8 to 10 steps in a straight line. Halt. Back horse 5 to 8 steps and halt. Perform 360 turn on forehand, moving haunches away from handler, halt. Leading from right side, walk a 20-foot approximate diameter circle clockwise, halt where circle started. Switch to left side of horse. Leading from left side of horse, walk a 20-foot approximate diameter circle counterclockwise and halt where circle started, salute.